Hi, I'm Flavia, and I'm the Senior Production Assistant here at Motion Glass Studio. We are now on set, and a lot of people think that all our candies are just props. But I'm gonna be taste testing these today to prove that they're not fake, and I'm gonna rate them from 1 to 10. Shout out to the Hershey Company for donating all the candies and chocolate for us to use in our studio. Miniature KitKat, 10 out of 10. 6.5 out of 10. For me, the clear winner is KitKat. This is Flavia from Motion Glass Studio, and I'm signing out.